Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix your payment method was declined in iPhone or iPad. If you're using any iPhone or iPad and you're facing the issue that your payment method was declined, so let's see how can you easily fix the issue. So you just have to go back from here and there's a simple way to fix the issue. You just have to update your payment method, or the second way is that you have to contact with Apple Support. So very first, this is for the first method. You just have to check for your network connection that you have a stable and the strongest network connection. After that, go back from here, open your settings, go for general, go for VPN device management, and you have to make sure that your VPN is not connected. Then go back again, go for language and region and select the region in which you are living. Then go back and here you just have to open your app store here, tap on the profile option in the top right corner, tap on your Apple ID, verify yourself using your Face ID or your Apple ID password, then select manage payments from here and you just have to remove your payment method. Once you have removed your payment method, just go back from here and then select country origin option from here, and now you just have to select the same country or region which you have just selected. So if you find this type screen here, you have to add your Apple account password. And once you have entered your Apple ID password, you just have to look for your own country or region or the which you have just selected. So just select the same country or region here. Then tap on this continue option. Then tap on agree option in the top right corner. And here you have to add your payment method. So if so, just add your payment method. Then add your billing address, your phone number, and your name. Once you have added all of these, just tap on done option in the top right corner and your payment method will be updated. Or if you are getting the same issue again and again after updating your payment method, so there's the only way. You have to open your Apple Support app. You can easily install it from your App Store or you can use Apple Support Web. So select your iPhone from here, then select subscriptions and purchases, and here select enable to purchase, or you can also select this more option, then select App Store, and here just select get more help, then select call us, and after that you'll find a phone number. Whenever you want to talk, you have to simply dial this phone number and you will be connected with Apple's 14 member. You can discuss about your issue and get official help from there. So after that your issue will be fixed. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.